You got a kitchen sink somewhere.
Well, this is my first bike camping trip where I had to carry a lot of stuff myself. I've done another bike trip.
I'll take the water then. Or do you want to take the water?
Amongst the number two.
Is that it for everybody?
Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, September 28th, and we are in Utah right now, and we're about to take part in riding the Grand Staircase, the loop, thanks to bikepacking.com. As you can see, all the individuals are ready to go. We got something new this time. We have 2 support cars, which is kind of interesting because it's technically a self-supported bike touring group, but a couple of people decided to take their 4x4s, so it's going to be interesting ride this time. The first entrance. We decided to take the road today just because for the first 11 miles, just to get a little warm up. So I'm kind of holding back and kind of sweeping at the end and making sure all the riders are all set to go. There's Melissa back there. She's kind of struggling this morning, so I think she just has to get used to the altitude, but it's all good so far, so good. How's it going? All right, this is halfway point check-in. We are, well, not even halfway, we're more than halfway done. So we got probably about 2-3 more hours of riding and we should be done. But man, this place is absolutely gorgeous, amazing. I think I said amazing way too many times, but it is damn amazing. Oh yeah, forgot to tell you, there's some updates. So we are down 1 rider, Melissa. We found out that her rear derailleur was bent for some reason. I don't know, something happened. But now we have 3 support cars. What a quinky dink. Okay, I believe this is the 39 mile check-in. We're almost to the camp. We just have to get over that little hump right there. And I'm struggling because my right knee is like bothering me and starting to cramp up. So let's push this last mile or two. All right. Correction. That is the last hill. Our campsite right at the top. All right. One more push.
Sting out, but I can feel it. But oh well, it's almost gone now. The pain. Always keep you covered up.
You got it. All right, Eric.
It's spinning.
Oh yeah, it's crazy steep.
Did you find a card or something?
It's very cold.
Ground down.
I'm afraid to go out in public.
Stay tuned. We'll see what it's like in October. And you might still be able to get to the park. Just you won't be able to camp at the campground.